All right, good evening, everyone. It's John on the free video. It's about 6 o'clock Monday evening. Mentally, I keep thinking it's Sunday evening, 3-day weekend, of course. We've had here in Austin, Texas, seems like half of Austin is on fire. We actually had to evacuate our neighborhood over the weekend and still have to stay out of it, so it's been kind of crazy. So I've got kind of a short video tonight. I did want to see what the markets were doing. Yesterday, a lot of the European markets sold off pretty hard, and you can see that tonight the S&Ps are down about 0.72%. A little too early to tell what that's going to translate into tomorrow. Big news, of course, the dollar index is finally looking firmer, as we've been talking about. Flight to quality, a little bit back along that line, and it's just it's going to be interesting. The biggest red flag for me on Friday. Yes, we've been looking for a sell-off in the stock indexes, but it was on light volume, which is why we were kind of covering and not really holding into the long weekend. And so for tonight, I'm not going to set up anything tonight, but it's just kind of getting a general overview of where we are and what to look for tomorrow, and then try to set up some trades from there. All right. So from there, that's really just kind of, we'll roll into some quick updates for the premium video, and then a bond trading webinar, a free bond trading webinar as well. Okay, so let's look at some charts tonight. Looking at them on the TOS platform here, just got the squeeze. So, okay, so the big thing is we've had this big kind of run up, right? Pushing higher, and for the stock market to continue pushing lower, and I'm going to be looking for entries in that regard early this week. So we do have this week, and I think it'll be interesting for those of you that like to trade bonds, is that, and I actually do, and especially now, I do think if we flash forward a year from today, people are going to be talking more about interest rates than the stock market. And if you guys have not really had much exposure to trading bond futures, then this is the guy that you want to talk to. Jack Bros, he actually trades from the floor, and he's been down there for a long time, and he calls out his trades live from the floor, and he's able to watch what's going on in the pit and stuff like that. So it's a very unique opportunity to see what's going on there. It's going to be a 2-day kind of a free class on what he does. It's going to be starting at 8 o'clock a.m. East Coast time, 7 o'clock a.m. Central time, and it'll go around to about noon East Coast time, okay? And this is just a way where if you've never been exposed to bond trading, and I think it's critical that people find a market and a methodology that fits their personality best. And the way Jack has it set up, he's got a specific risk to reward ratio that he utilizes. There's certain times during the day when the bond market is very responsive to his setups, and that's what he teaches, and it's definitely worth a shot going in and taking a look. All right, so that'll be coming up this Wednesday and Thursday, and we'll provide a link here at the end of the email if you would like to sign up for that. All right, you guys have a good rest of the night, and we'll see you at the next update.